Whether it's time for some online learning, you're about to embark on a family road trip, or you just can't stand to listen to another episode of Paw Patrol, you can help keep your child engaged for as long as necessary with headphones. But before you put random off-the-shelf gear on your little one's head, you want to make sure they're both comfortable headphones and safe. To help make sure they don't lose their hearing and you don't lose your mind, we've put together this guide to the best kids' headphones so the only constant questions you have to answer come from your children. Number 1. Lil Gadgets Untangled Pro. The Lil Gadgets Untangled Pros offer an advanced listening experience for older kids who are about to graduate from children's technology. Though they are designed for kids ages 4 and up, we recommend reserving them for preteens and teenagers because the volume limit is higher than the recommended 85 decibels. With a limit of 93 decibels, listening levels will still be capped but come a bit closer to adult parameters. You won't be able to control your kids' volume forever, so this is a great way to encourage healthy habits before they start blasting their music day and night. The colorful styles are fun yet mature, and a 12-hour battery will supply enough music to make it many walks to school. A 3.5mm cable with an inline microphone will keep them connected even when the battery starts to run low. Number 2. On and Off Buddy Phones Explore Plus. If you're looking for a pair of headphones that will make your child stand out from the rest of the crowd, look no further than the On and Off Buddy Phones Explore Plus. These headphones come in 6 different colors with 4 included sticker designs to put on the ear cups, and are built with Nordic design and quality. They feature 30mm neodymium drivers and include an ergonomic wide headband for comfort. Although they're wired, the cable detaches to prevent a dangerous snag. And, these headphones are made with friendship and sharing in mind, thanks to the built-in stackable audio splitter that can connect up to 4 pairs of headphones into one device. These headphones include features adult audio heads expect, like a built-in microphone and call, playback button, but limit volume at 85 decibels for safe listening. Parents will appreciate that they fold and come with an included travel bag. While you won't find features common in adult headphones, such as active noise cancellation, the comfier cushions can still help block out the distractions of travel and keep your child wrapped up in the music. And if you definitely want to keep them wrapped up only in music, and not wires, Buddy Phones also makes the equally fun and functional School Plus wireless headphones, which are more expensive at $60 but our reviewer found them invaluable during the height of remote schooling in 2021. Number 3. Newt K11 Foldable Kids Headphones. While the Newt K11 headphones forego some of the safety features we recommend investing in, they are perfectly suitable for young kids to use as long as they have some supervision. These foldable, wired headphones feature a flexible headband, 5-foot braided connection cable, and are available in various bright colors. Newt says the maximum output is around 93 decibels, but some report the 40mm drivers can get louder, so make sure you remind your little ones to stay away from the volume control, which can often be digitally capped in your smartphone, etc., just in case. Passive noise cancellation helps isolate the audio and eliminate the need to raise the volume, and the lack of onboard controls actually helps keep kids' fingers away from accidental adjustments. The most attractive thing the K11 headphones have to offer is an under $30 price point, making it more feasible to invest in replacement if you have kids who are tough on their tech. Number 4. JLabs Buddies Play. The Play headphones are marketed as a gaming headset, but they certainly double as the best headphones for kids' playback and enhanced call quality for remote learning, family Skype calls, and other forms of virtual communication. The boom microphone is situated directly in front of the mouth, which helps isolate your child's voice and eliminate background noise, a super helpful tool for clear audio, especially if there's a lot going on at home. The mic is also retractable, so you can get it out of the way when unnecessary. For budding gamers, game mode utilizes low latency, boosted mid to high frequencies, and Bluetooth 5.0 with apps, and is compatible with most gaming systems, including PlayStation, Xbox, and more. A 3.5mm cable connection is also an option for zero latency. The colorful pads are great if a heated game session runs long, plus they'll look sharp when your child sees friends in person or on camera, with parental approval. Number 5. Poro Sound Labs BT2200 Plus. Poro Sound Labs has created a pair of top-tier kids headphones that will suit children at almost any age. The Poro BT2200 Plus Bluetooth headphones are equipped with an 85 decibels volume limiter that cannot be bypassed regardless of the content or connected device. Passive noise cancellation blocks out 83% of background noise, which is helpful for keeping calm and staying focused. The audio quality on these kids' headphones are quite impressive for a pair of kids' headphones, even with the volume limit, and the battery follows suit with up to 20 hours of playback and a 3-hour charge time. Available in over 5 colors, this pair features onboard volume control and comes with a carrying case, a 3.5mm cable for wired listening that maintains the volume limit, and a daisy chain cable that allows you to connect with another pair of poros so your kids can watch their favorite movies at the same time.